Hey guys, so this is the look I'll be doing for you today. It's a really pretty kind of bronze, glittery, smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoy it. I am using some new stuff and some kind of like oldie kind of stuff. If you like my brows, I will be doing a separate tutorial for this kind of faux microbladed brow look, so stay tuned for that. But otherwise, let's just kind of get right into the video and show you how I got this look. Okay, so I'm starting out by priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just blending that all over my eyelid. And I'm using just a little flat foundation brush to apply that. And the first color we're going to go in with is Soft Brown from MAC. This is from the Patrick Star palette, but these are all permanent colors I'm using anyway. Obviously you can't get this palette anymore, but you can still get this color. So I'm going to take that on a Morphe blending brush and blend that all the way across my crease. And going from the outer corner to the inner corner, I always put my brush in the outer corner first because I want a little more intensity out there. So once that's blended out, I'm going to go into the shade Swiss Chocolate. And first, I'm going to apply just a little bit of this in my crease to get a blend started. But then I'm going to take a flat brush and pack this all over my eyelid to get it really nice and saturated. This is the brush from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. And then once I have that packed on, I'm just taking the other end of that brush to further blend that out into a soft brown color. So then I'm going to go with the shade I'm Into It, which is a really beautiful dark warm brown. And sorry, I kind of got out of frame a little bit for this. I feel a little rusty. Like I haven't made a video in a couple weeks, so it's like I'm already like completely forgetting how to make a video, obviously. But I'm just going to pack that in my outer corner, again with the same brush, and then go in with the other side of that brush just to softly blend that out. And then underneath my eye, I'm going in with the exact same colors like I usually do. So starting off with Soft Brown, I'm blending that down under the eye, and then following up with Swiss Chocolate, and then I'm Into It. But I'm keeping the I'm Into It shade more so on the outer corner of the lower lash line. So next I'm going to line my waterline and my tight line with MAC's Graphblack eyeliner. This is my favorite liner to use on my waterline and everything because it's just really soft and it's really dark and you don't really have to mess around with it a lot. I also like you don't have to sharpen it, which is awesome. I'm then going to take the Stila Shimmer and Glow eyeshadow in the color Grace, as well as MAC Bronze Pigment. It's one of our new pigments that MAC just came out with. And I applied the Grace liquid shadow first, just on the inner half of my eyelid, blended in with my finger, and then dabbed the bronze glitter right on top. And then I'm going to go in and do my lashes. I'm using MAC in Extreme Dimension Mascara and the Esquito Day and Night lashes, which is part of their new synthetic collection. So now onto the face, I'm using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Champagne Pop and applying a light layer of that all over just to give a really glowy base. And then I'm going to take the Light Wonder foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, number 4. I actually really don't like this foundation. I took it out because I wanted to use it because I bought it and it was really expensive and I never use it. So I was like, let me just kind of like use something different and get some use out of it, but I really don't like it. It just really accentuates any texture you have, which it really sucks, but you know, what can you do? So then I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape again under my eyes to conceal my dark circles, which I have a lot of right now, and I'm also putting that around my nose to conceal some redness I have around my nose. And then setting my under eye with my Bay Ride or Die powder, the MAC MIneralize powder. This is the shade Light, and just using a MAC 133 to blend that under my entire under eye area and sort of softly blend that out into my foundation. And I love this powder for a super smooth and kind of brightened eye look. It really is the perfect powder to use under your eyes. So then I'm going to take the MAC Waterweight powder, which is a new powder from them. And this is the shade Light Plus. And I'm going to mix both the warm and the cool tone in that powder and apply that all over to set my face. And then for bronzer, I'm using MAC Refined Golden Bronzer. I was looking through my bronzer drawer and I was like, let me use something I haven't used in a while. Have not used this one in a really long time. It's a little warm. It's a little orangey undertone, but I made it work. And I'm just applying that with this Morphe brush. I'm not sure of the number of this one. And then I'm going in with blush. This is Peaches from MAC. Can y'all remember when like everyone and their mother used Peaches? This is like a way back throwback moment for me. I was looking through my blush palettes wanting to use something different. I was like, holy crap, no one uses this anymore. And this used to be like everyone's ride or die blush. And I really, really love this shade. So then I'm highlighting with the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. Y'all are probably really tired of seeing me use this highlight, but it is literally my favorite highlight of all time. It's so beautiful. So I'm using a MAC fan brush to apply that. I'm sorry if you can hear this little baby in the background. She's getting a little upset here. I'm also using that highlighter to highlight the inner corner of my eye. It's okay. So then I'm finally finishing off my lip with this Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip that I'll put down below. Baby girl was freaking out, so I had to pick her up. And that's why I went with just the glossy lip, the lip gloss, because she was like starting to freak out on me and she was not having it. So I was like, let me get this done quick. But yeah, that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a really quick tutorial, but I really love how this look turned out. I love these lashes. They're beautiful, amazing, and I love this new bronze glitter. It is so stunning. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.